It is vital for us to have a contact form on our website since it allows our visitors to get in touch with us if they have questions about our brand, products, or services. A simple way to add a contact form to a WordPress site is through the WP WordPress Forms plugin. The WP WordPress plugin has over 5 million active installations, making it one of the most recognized and commonly used form plugins for WordPress. WP Forms also offer excellent features such as drag and drop builders, templates, spam protection, and easy embedding, which help us create the form of our choice quickly and without any coding knowledge. Here, we will show you how to create a contact form in WordPress using the WP WordPress form. Step 1. Install and activate the WP Forms for WordPress. In the first step, we need to install and activate the WP WordPress Form plugin on our WordPress site. We can use WP Forms for free. There is also a paid plan for WP Forms, which comes in 4 different options to fit your budget. All of these plans offer more enhanced features than the free one. But for the purpose of this tutorial, we will be using the WP Forms free version. To install the WP WordPress Forms plugin, go to the Plugins menu in your WordPress dashboard and click Add a new plugin. Next, enter the key phrase WP Forms into the search box. After you've done this, you'll see the WP Forms based on your search, then click the Install button. The button will change to Activate after installation. Click the Activate button to activate it. The WP Forms plugin has now been fully activated, and you will see the WP menu item in the WordPress dashboard. Step 2. Create a contact form in WordPress. Locate the WP Forms menu at the top and click Add New. Next, name your contact form and click on the Contact Us Per Made template to use it. Following that, you will be taken to the editing page where you can customize the contact form to your liking. By default, the WP Forms provide a Contact Us field that contains name, last name, email, and message fields. You can, however, add any field of your choice by dragging it and dropping it into the simple contact form. Additionally, you can edit the label and format for names by clicking on the Filed option. As well, you can click Advanced to adjust the font size or hide labels and sub-labels. Upon completing all necessary editing of the contact form, you can preview your design by clicking the Preview button. Click the Save button when you're satisfied with the designed contact form. Step 3. Confirmation Message Configuration. The next thing that we want to add is the confirmation message. A confirmation message is the short message displayed after site visitors submit their inquiries via our Contact Us form. To do this, click Settings. Click the Confirmation menu next. As you can see, the WP WordPress plugin has already added a confirmation message by default. You can edit or add a new one. Alternatively, you can redirect users to a confirmation page of your choice. To do this, there is a field showing message under the confirmation type. Click it, and a drop-down menu will appear. Next, enter the URL address you want your visitors to be redirected to in the confirmation redirect URL field. Click the Save button once you're done. Step 4. Adding the WP Contact Us form. Having created the contact form and configured the confirmation message, we can now add it to our WordPress website. In WordPress, we can either embed the contact form on an existing or a new contact page or display it in the sidebar. Nevertheless, this tutorial will focus on adding a WP contact form to a page. Let's start by adding the contact form to a page. Simply head over to the existing contact page to which you want to add the contact form. Then click the plus sign to add a block. Then type WP Forms into the search box and select the WP Form block from the results. Click on the Select a Form field, and a drop-down will appear where you can select the contact form you just created. Here's what your contact form will look like after you select it. It looks exceptionally beautiful, doesn't it? Lastly, click the Publish button to make sure the contact form goes live. Your visitors will then be able to use the contact form to contact you. Summary: how to add a contact form in WordPress in WP Forms. A Contact Us form on our WordPress page will allow visitors to get in touch with us as well as help us generate leads. Since WordPress does not include a contact form by default, the best alternative is to use WP Forms. With WP Forms, we can integrate our favorite contact form into our WordPress website very easily. Also, the WP Forms have beautiful templates we can use instead of creating the contact form from scratch. With the help of this guide, you should be able to design your own contact form using the WP WordPress plugin. We appreciate you taking the time to read this detailed guide word for word, and we hope you will share it across your social networks so that other interested users can benefit from it as well. If you like these video, please hit the like button and click on the notification bell and subscribe to our channel to always get our latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.